This is a really quick video on how to close more commercial cleaning proposals, janitorial service proposals. This can apply to commercial carpet cleaning, any kind of situation where you're handing out a proposal or an estimate to a prospect or a lead. And my name is Shane Deubell, and our company is methodcleanbiz.com. And you can go and visit our website. We have tons of free resources, janitorial, bidding calculators, carpet cleaning calculators, all kinds of free downloads. So go ahead and visit our website. I'll leave it in the description, and subscribe to our videos. Now today, this is just kind of a quick tip that after we give someone a proposal, after asking a closing question, silence is golden. And this is something that has been a concept that's been around for probably 30, 50, I'd say closer to 50 years. I learned it from a sales trainer named J. Douglas Edwards. I don't even know if you can find him on YouTube anymore. He was from the 70s or 80s, and he was a real character. But one funny thing what he would always do in his seminars that he would teach the salespeople is he would go real quiet, and he would say, after you ask a closing question, and he would get quieter and quieter, and then he would shock them and say, shut up, real loud, and everybody would be stunned. And the point is that one of the keys to closing more proposals, especially after asking a closing question, is silence. Is after you ask that closing question, to just let people absorb the information. Too often what happens is we get nervous, we get excited, we want to add one more thing. Oh, we can also offer you a discount if, or did I tell you that we are also certified in, and blah, 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 blah. And there is a time to plug that stuff in. That's like leading type of questions. But once we're at that situation where we're handing a proposal, we're asking for their business, we're being explicit and straightforward, that's the time to just be quiet and give people time to absorb it. Now, I know with janitorial, if it's a large bid, they may need time to think about it anyways, or to pass it by other people in the company. For smaller janitorial, or for times like one-time type jobs, people will usually give you an answer right there and then. So this can really apply to that situation. Or you're sitting at a conference table with someone and you hand them the contract or the service agreement, because you need them to sign off on it and date it. And I know this seems so simple, but after 30 years of doing this, I still have to remind myself that sometimes it's just time to shut up and quit talking so much, especially when you're passionate about a topic. Like I like talking about marketing and sales topics. So sometimes when I'm talking to a cleaning contractor, sometimes I do this, and I have to keep reminding myself, hey, Shane, slow down, be quiet for a minute, let this person talk, or let this person ask questions, let them absorb what you're saying. So even after all these years of doing this, this is something I have to keep reminding myself. So if you're newer, especially, and you've only given 5 or 10 proposals or whatever, this isn't something that just you are experiencing. This is a common thing with almost anybody in sales has experienced this. And it's just something you have to keep practicing to become more disciplined about, is to just, when you ask questions, stop and let that silence be. It can be a little awkward at times. Sometimes people might sit there for I've had people sit there for 5 minutes looking it over, looking up at me, but I won't say anything. I'll just scribble something down on my notepad or something to pass the time. but I'll look at them, but I won't say anything. I won't add that one more thing. I'll just let that silence close the deal. So my name is Shane Deubell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com, and I just wanted to give a quick little sales tip.